Alright, let's go. We're just gonna do a casual, nice little ride out, and maybe my friend will come. I just untied my shoe with my foot. Come on. Oh, come on. What the heck? Oh, shit, that's gonna be our gloves. Oh shit, yeah, let's grab some gloves. Alright. It actually is kind of cold out today, though. What are those rubber bands for? Just rubber bands on the ground. Whatever. Can the camera even see them? I don't even know. Oh, I don't think that they're home. Or maybe they are. We'll go down this way. What is that? What is that? It's just a container? How nice. I want to run over it. It's so cold. Let's go down this way. Oh, that's been there for so long though. There's a TV in there. Yeah, so this is like nothing special, I guess. It's not like I'm gonna be actually doing anything. Oh, you know what? This is gonna become a review. I'm gonna review this dirt bike after how long? Like a half a year of use? I don't think that the camera's good spot. Alright. So we have lots of damages done to the bike. We have this thing, the plate came off, just straight up broke. I jammed into a rock once and it just sent it back, so like that's the normal one, that's bent. The brake broke pretty easily, it just fell down and it broke. The handlebars aren't too stable. It is pretty mud and waterproof, but I feel like it has gotten slower over the past year, months, over the past few months. It's not as fast, I don't think. Because I think when I first got it, it was pushing 40-ish, and now it's going like 35-ish. So yeah, I think it's downgraded a little. The chain, it came loose somehow when I started doing burnouts, so now I'm never doing that again. It is very easy to disconnect these if you're trying to take the handlebars off or something. It's pretty easy. You just gotta pull them out. Yeah. It has a nice display. The battery life is It's like you get 1 mile for 1 bar, or maybe 2 miles for 2 bars. Wait, 2 miles for 1 bar. It's 1 or 2 miles. Hi.
Are you making videos?
I'm doing a bike review.
Oh, yo.
Yeah.
You wanna go fishing?
Where?
At the pond.
There's no fish in that pond.
In the pond.
Why? There's snakes there though.
Yeah, but they might be gone.
Sure.
Because I want to try out my new Luna.
Alright. Sure. Yeah. I mean, it's held up. There's nothing broken that needs to be fixed. And it's a nice 1,000-ish. It's like $900. $900 for 35 miles. It's a really good deal.
name's Ted.
His name is Ted.
Yeah, I named my lure Ted.
Yeah, we're still recording. Just had to check that. Because the camera turns off. So I can't tell if it's still recording or not. Just from the helmet. Maybe I should have put it a little bit lower down. But then it would have been like way lower than it is. And I already have to look up more than usual. So yeah. I feel like it would be pretty easy to customize. Like you could just take this off, replace the battery, take these off, replace the motor. Shock's pretty easy. So you could like really upgrade this. The brakes are actually so good though. Like, boom. Alright.
This isn't coming out when you push down.
Oh. Yeah, so this book.
It's almost smaller than.
Dang. Alright, so last notes and ideas and stuff to wrap this bike up. There's 3 speed modes. 1 goes to 16, 17 miles. 2 goes to like 28, and then 3 goes to like 35. The bike, it looks like a dirt bike. It's not like those other bikes. There was this goofy bike that I saw before. There was like a big wheel, and then it was like horizontal. Like it was like, I don't know. It was so stupid though. Like what kind of bike is that? It had the smallest ass seat ever. Like literally. Like the dimensions were so weird. So it's not like any of those that BS. It's a normal bike. Looks like a dirt bike. It runs pretty similar to like other dirt bikes. Like, you know, it kind of keeps up with dirt bikes. Like if you were racing this against like a 150 maybe, it would either keep up or it would like win on like a motocross track maybe. I don't know, it depends. But yeah, that concludes the bike. I say it's worth it to get the bike. Huh? Yeah.